Hi everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'll be doing glitches on my Magic Sync ED-8000. So again, like I did say in my very first video I did about broken Magic Sync ED-8000 glitches, don't perform any of these tips or tricks that I'm doing here on the Magic Sync ED-8000. I'm only doing this because this Magic Sync ED-8000 already lost all of its data. It does no longer have built-in songs, pictures, and other stuff like that. So if you have a working Magic Sync ED-8000 or even an MT version, don't do any of this because this will damage it. And because I will be talking not through all the glitches, but I will be talking in some where I removed the song chip while it's on, it's playing a song and it just glitches. Or sorry, I removed the song chip, so don't do any of that. This is just because this Magic Sync ED-8000 is broken. So let's get started with the video. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started with the video. So again, like I did say, I won't be talking through all of the glitches. Through some, yes, like for example, I'm going to be removing the song chip in this part, but not all the time. So let's get started. Okay, we'll be talking in this part. In this next glitch, I'm going to go ahead and do contest mode. This broken Magic Sync 8000, actually, the microphone no longer works either, so I can't actually like say stuff to get 100 points. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and do contest mode, and of course, right here, I'm just gonna remove the song chip in the next song. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it and see what happens. So let's go ahead and push play. I'll leave it in for this one. And I'm going to go ahead and remove it for this one. So I'm going to hit play and remove it right away and see what happens. For this next glitch, the song is already playing, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And I'm going to wait for the part that shows up for the next song and see what happens right there. So right here, let's see what happens. Next, ... and let's see what happens next. It still actually plays, that's really cool. Okay, so instead of that, it did work. So let's go ahead and punch in the code for another song while it's still playing. And it glitches right there. Let's do an auto test glitch. Let's see what happens there. Nothing really. Oh, but yeah, the buttons don't work though. It doesn't let me do anything. It did kind of glitched. Oh, there's an auto test glitch. It just glitched right there. Yep, it's not letting me do anything. For this one, I'm going to turn it on, and right now with the song chip, and then remove it once it's fully loaded, and punch in the song that I always do and see what happens. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So right now it's loaded with the song chips. Let's go ahead and remove it and put the song I always play. And it just glitched. It just turns itself off. Oh, the songs just came back. I actually just put it in right now. Does it play? Oh, it does play actually. Let's go ahead and use that mini selector once we're in here and push the down arrow once I remove it. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and do a random glitch. So now I just remove the song chip. Let's go ahead and... Oh, it didn't let me anymore. I removed the song chip while it was turning on, so it just showed a dot. And the screen is actually still on, so let's go ahead and insert it and see what happens. Oh yeah, it is. Oh wow. It's playing music. That's cool. All of the keys are playing music. And to finish strong, let's do a melody glitch.